If you're over 50 and noticing your strength slipping, your energy fading, or everyday tasks getting harder, this isn't just aging. It could be a warning sign of something more serious, a condition called sarcopenia, the slow, silent loss of muscle that leaves millions weaker, vulnerable to falls, and dependent on others as they age. But here's the part no one tells you. This decline isn't guaranteed, and it's not permanent, because there are 7 powerful, science-backed foods that can help you rebuild lost muscle, restore your strength, and protect your body naturally. You don't need a gym. You don't need supplements. You just need the right foods, consistently. So don't wait until weakness becomes a fall or fatigue becomes a hospital stay. Watch till the end and hit that subscribe button, because changing your diet could change your future. 1. Quinoa, the muscle-building grain that most people ignore. When people think about building muscle, they usually think of meat, eggs, or protein shakes. But there's one humble food, often overlooked, that can quietly fuel muscle growth, improve recovery, and support aging bodies: quinoa. Quinoa isn't just a grain, it's a complete plant protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your muscles need to grow and repair. And that's incredibly rare in the plant world. Why quinoa is essential for muscle health, especially as you age. Complete protein source. Supports muscle recovery and repair, rich in magnesium and iron. Boosts muscle function and oxygen delivery, high in fiber. Supports digestion and helps absorb key nutrients. Naturally gluten-free. Easy on aging digestive systems. Low glycemic index. Helps regulate blood sugar and insulin response, which impacts muscle preservation. Unlike rice or pasta, quinoa provides long-lasting energy without the sugar crash. It helps stabilize blood sugar, which is critical for seniors trying to avoid insulin spikes that lead to fat gain and muscle loss. And for older adults struggling to get enough protein through meat or dairy, quinoa offers a gentle, nutrient-packed solution, the silent danger you didn't know. Many seniors suffer from chronic low-grade protein deficiency, not enough to be diagnosed, but enough to cause muscle shrinking, weakness, and fatigue. Quinoa helps close that gap, delivering quality protein in a way that's easy to cook, easy to digest, and easy to make part of your daily meals. You don't need to overhaul your entire diet. Just swap out your usual starch with quinoa a few times a week, and you'll be giving your muscles the raw material they've been begging for. Because it's not about eating more, it's about eating smarter. 2. Greek yogurt, the gut-friendly protein that rebuilds and repairs. When your muscles break down from aging, stress, or activity, they need one thing more than anything else: high-quality protein, delivered fast. That's exactly what Greek yogurt provides. But it goes beyond just protein. It also heals from the inside out by improving gut health and boosting nutrient absorption. Why Greek yogurt is a muscle-preserving powerhouse, packed with casein and whey, 2 high-quality proteins that digest at different speeds, giving your muscles both instant and long-lasting fuel. Rich in leucine, a key amino acid that directly triggers muscle growth and repair, contains probiotics, supports gut health, digestion, and nutrient absorption. High in calcium and vitamin B12, vital for strong bones and muscle function. Low in sugar, when plain, keeps inflammation down and energy stable. Why this matters for older adults: as you age, your ability to digest and absorb protein drops dramatically. That means even if you're eating protein, your body might not be using it effectively. Greek yogurt solves that problem. It's easy to digest, highly bioavailable, and supports a healthy gut microbiome. And a healthy gut equals better digestion, stronger immunity, and better use of every bite you eat. Warning signs of protein underuse in seniors: muscle soreness that lasts too long, feeling weak even after rest, trouble recovering from simple exertion, constant fatigue despite eating enough calories. Greek yogurt helps fill the protein gap, rebuild torn muscle fibers, and speed up recovery without heavy cooking or complicated prep. Have it for breakfast with chia seeds and berries. Use it as a base for sauces, or simply eat it as a high-protein snack before bed, when your body repairs most. Because when your muscles are breaking down, what you feed them makes all the difference. 3. Salmon, the anti-inflammatory protein that protects muscles and joints. You can be eating all the protein in the world, but if your body is inflamed, stiff, and sore, your muscles won't grow. They'll break down faster than they repair. That's why salmon is one of the most powerful foods for anyone over 50 trying to stay strong, mobile, and pain-free. Why salmon is essential for aging muscles. High-quality complete protein fuels muscle growth and repair. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, EPA and DHA, fights chronic inflammation that causes joint pain, stiffness, and slow recovery. Boosts blood flow and nutrient delivery. Gets oxygen and amino acids where your muscles need them most. Supports brain and nerve health. Vital for strength coordination and muscle control. Packed with B vitamins. Helps convert food into energy for your workouts and recovery. The real danger of ignoring inflammation. As we age, the body produces more inflammatory compounds, even if you're not in pain. This silent inflammation wears down your joints, weakens your muscles, and makes recovery from even light activity feel exhausting. Salmon's omega-3s are one of the few natural nutrients proven to lower inflammation at the root, supporting muscle recovery while protecting the joints and heart at the same time. How to use it. Eat wild-caught salmon 2 to 3 times per week. Bake, grill, or lightly pan-sear to preserve nutrients. Pair with greens, olive oil, or avocado for a full anti-inflammatory meal. Even canned salmon is a great option. Just avoid versions packed in poor oils. This isn't just about staying strong. It's about staying strong without pain. Because what's the point of gaining muscle if you're too sore, inflamed, or fatigued to use it? Salmon gives your body what it needs to recover faster, move easier, and feel younger from the inside out. 4. Eggs, nature's perfect muscle food that most seniors underrate. If you're trying to stay strong as you age, there's one food that delivers more muscle-building power per bite than almost anything else, and it's probably already in your kitchen. Eggs. They're affordable, easy to prepare, and packed with everything your body needs to repair muscle, build strength, and stay energized, especially after 50. Why eggs are a muscle-preserving powerhouse. Complete protein source. Contains all 9 essential amino acids needed for muscle growth. Rich in leucine, a key amino acid that directly stimulates muscle protein synthesis. Loaded with vitamin B12, vital for nerve function, strength, and red blood cell production. Natural source of vitamin D, supports bone density and muscle power. Contains choline, supports brain-muscle coordination and memory. What makes eggs critical for seniors? As we age, our body becomes less efficient at absorbing and using protein. That means you need more high-quality protein, not less. Eggs provide it in the most bioavailable form, meaning your body doesn't have to work hard to break it down and use it. And unlike many meats, eggs are gentle on digestion, fast to cook, and versatile across all meals. Warning signs of protein loss you might feel already. Feeling tired even after sleeping well. Not recovering from light activity or housework. Trouble concentrating or remembering. Unexplained loss of strength in arms or legs. If you're skipping eggs because of outdated fears about cholesterol, you may be doing more harm than good. Modern research shows that eggs do not raise harmful cholesterol levels in healthy individuals, and they may even improve heart markers when paired with a clean diet. Whether it's breakfast, lunch, or a post-workout snack, adding 2 to 3 eggs a day can help feed your muscles, support your brain, and slow the effects of aging from the inside out. Because sometimes the most powerful solution is the simplest one. 5. Spinach, the green powerhouse that fuels strength, recovery, and vitality. When people think of building muscle, they rarely think of leafy greens. But spinach isn't just salad filler. It's a medicinal food packed with the exact nutrients aging muscles need to stay strong, repair faster, and fight off fatigue. And the best part? It does more than just support your muscles. It protects your bones, brain, blood, and immune system all at once. Why spinach is a must-have for anyone over 50, high in magnesium, essential for muscle contraction, relaxation, and strength recovery. Rich in iron, boosts oxygen delivery to your muscles and brain. loaded with antioxidants, fights inflammation and oxidative stress that weaken muscle cells, packed with vitamin K, supports bone density and reduces fracture risk, contains nitrates, improves blood flow and endurance, helping you move and exercise with ease. Why this matters for seniors. As we age, our circulation weakens, bones thin, and muscles become more prone to damage. Spinach counters all three of those problems at once, naturally. It gives your body the building blocks to stay resilient, recover from activity, and even fight off age-related memory and vision decline, thanks to nutrients like lutein and folate. How to use spinach for strength. Add it to morning eggs or omelets, blend it into smoothies or soups, use it as a base for salads or stir into warm dishes. Combine with vitamin C-rich foods like lemon or bell pepper to improve iron absorption. Even just a handful a day can make a major difference. Muscle loss doesn't happen overnight. It starts slow, with a few skipped nutrients, and ends with weakness, soreness, and limited mobility. Spinach helps you fight back, quietly but powerfully, because the stronger your nutrition, the stronger your body becomes. You don't lose muscle because you're getting older. You lose it because your body isn't getting the right fuel to hold on to it. By the time most people hit 60, their strength begins to fade. Their legs feel weaker, their arms lose tone, and one day a simple task, like climbing stairs or lifting a bag, feels heavier than it should. This is called sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss. And if you're not actively fighting it, it's already fighting you. But here's the good news. You don't need pills or protein powders to rebuild what age is trying to take away. You just need the right foods, and you need to start now. In this video, I'll reveal 5 powerful, muscle-preserving foods that can help you stay strong, active, and independent, naturally. Watch till the end and hit that subscribe button, because what's on your plate could decide how you age.